Nothing is better than a healthy and delicious plate of red lentil curry and fluffy basmati rice. And you can top it off with choice of your vegetables. Here I have some broccoli and bell peppers, and this is a great comfort food. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen, and make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on those notification bells. So let's start with making red lentil curry, which I call dal. For that I'm going to heat 2 teaspoons of oil plus 1 teaspoon of ghee. It adds lots of flavor. Add few bay leaves and whole red chilies and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We are going to saute until it slightly crackles, and then add half cup of chopped onions. You can use white, red or brown onion. And once they are translucent, add grated ginger and garlic. And we are going to saute for a few seconds here until the onions started to get brown. Now we are going to add half cup of chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well, saute for a few seconds, then add pinch of turmeric powder, gives a nice hue, and then half teaspoon of red chili powder, and then 1 teaspoon of garam masala, or you can use curry powder. Now this gives a beautiful color. Add 1/4 cup of water and cover it and let it cook until everything is softened on a medium heat. Now as you can see, everything has a soft and mushy. Now I'm going to add red lentils, which I have washed and soaked for about 10 minutes, and I have added salt and water. Now cover and simmer for 10 minutes, and meanwhile let's prepare a fluffy basmati rice. So this is how I prepare. I take 1 cup of basmati rice, and then I'm going to wash this couple of times, and then add little bit of water and then soak the rice for 10 minutes. Now after it's 10 minutes, it's nicely soaked. Now add ghee to the pan. I use 1 teaspoon of ghee, and then add soaked rice, and then I saute for a few seconds until the rice starts to be more opaque, like more white in color. Now add 2 cups of water and then salt to taste, and then I'm going to cover it and simmer for 8 minutes on medium heat. And make sure do not open the lid, let it cook entirely for 8 minutes. And once 8 minutes passed, then you can see it's nice and fluffy. Now let's check the dal. It's all softened and it's nicely incorporated, and all the flavors are absorbed really well. So I'm going to prepare a tempering which gives a very unique flavor. So for that I'm heating 1 tablespoon of ghee, and then add chopped garlic. I have roughly chopped the garlic. Once they start to sizzle, then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then red chili powder. As soon as you add red chili powder, turn off the heat because you don't want to burn it, and then immediately pour onto the dal, which gives a beautiful color as well as a wonderful garlicky flavor. So our dal is ready, and so is the rice. Let's serve this in a plate. Try this comforting meal today. I'm sure you will love it. And I have topped it off with my favorite vegetable, broccoli and bell pepper, which I have sauteed in garlic. Try it today and let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. I have garnished with cilantro, and enjoy. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the screen, and I will see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.